Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can make a factory data reset with the Vivo V25 and Vivo V25 Pro. First of all, let me tell you, if you want to resell the phone or give it to someone else, you should remove the Google account first. So if not, the new owner may have some problems with the phone. So I've linked a little tutorial in the description. Okay, let's start to reset the phone. Power off the phone first, and if the phone is completely off, then we will need the buttons, the power button and the volume up button. So just long press these both buttons at the same time and you will see at the moment this here. Leave the finger from the power button and after the finger from the volume keys. Okay, here at this mode we cannot navigate with the fingers, but we can use the buttons. So we will need the volume down key to go to the recovery mode or the volume up key to go back to the reboot mode. But we will need the recovery mode, so just go with the volume down key to the recovery mode and confirm now with the power button. And now you will enter the recovery mode of the Vivo phone. Okay, the next step will show us the recovery menu. By the way, here we can work again with the fingers. Okay, so go now on the point clear data. Confirm now, clear all data. Confirm again with OK because you will delete everything. He's warning you again. And now the phone is deleting all the data on your smartphone. After, just go on return. Go back here with the arrow and go now on restart. And he's asking you if you're really sure. Yes, okay. And now this procedure will take almost 2 minutes, something like this. So don't become nervous. Everything is fine. The phone will reinstall and so on, and you will start from the software as it's brand new. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new one. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao. And if you want to resell the phone, a good price. Ciao.